Good morning, everyone. My name is Mark Anthony S. Paloma, and I am from Pedro Guevara Memorial National High School of Santa Cruz District, Division of Laguna. Welcome to Grade 10 Technical Drafting NC2 class. Let's learn how to draft a floor plan. Let's start drawing a floor plan. Step 1. Prepare the needed tools and materials. So we have a pencil, an eraser, masking tape, drawing paper. If you would like to ink your drawing, we have fine liners. For the tools, we have a punch scale, just like a triangular scale. We also have a ruler. Then, if you have a T-square, we can use that. Well, actually, it will make our work easier. And of course, we need these sets of triangles. Before we move on to step number 2, I would like to explain first the proposed floor area. The proposed floor area has a measurement of 8 meters for the width and 10 meters for the length. The scale that we're going to use is 1 is to 75. Step number 2, construct the wall thickness. Use 0.15 centimeter concrete hollow block for the major walls. We are going to start the measurement from the center of the wall. So, since we already have the measurement 8 by 10, I'm going to make use of my punch scale. I'm going to get 0.15. That is the thickness of our wall. So, using the scale 1 is to 75, as you can see here, I'm going to locate the center. And then I'll measure 0.15 centimeter or 0.15 or 1.5 millimeters. So that's the thickness of our wall. So it is based from the hollow block or concrete hollow block and the the cement that was put into the wall. That's why it uh, it reached 0.15 centimeters. So same goes with the other. I'm going to locate the center and then measure 0.15 centimeters. What I did from the lower part, on the lower part, I will also do on the upper part. So definitely there will be a difference now in the actual 0.15 centimeter to what I'm doing since the scale is 1 is to 75. So that's for the vertical lines, all the vertical lines. And now I'm going to move on to the horizontal lines. I'm going to locate the center and mark 15.15 centimeters. Just need to make sure that you have a pointed tip. Pointed tip pencil so that you can really have an accurate 0.15 centimeters. That's it. Step number 3. We're going to divide the floor area to other areas of the house. This is where we're going to orient the rooms. This time, we're going to use a 0.10 centimeter interior wall partitions. A while ago, what we did is 0.15 centimeters for the major walls. This time, 0.10 centimeters for the interior wall. We need to compute each area of the house, then check the total floor area. So, assuming that we have a sketch, we already planned the room orientations. We locate the kitchen, the dining, and the living room on the left side, and in front, the lower portion, we have the porch. While on the other side, the right side, we have the partitions between bedroom and master's bedroom, plus the toilet and bath in the upper right portion of the floor plan. So that's what we're going to follow. We are asked to determine the sizes of each rooms. So as you can see here closely, as you look at it closely, we decide to make our master's bedroom 4 by 4.10 meters. That will be the size of our master's bedroom. So since the computation for area is equivalent to length times width, so 4 meters times 4.10 meters is equivalent to 16.4 square meters. So that is the floor area of our bedroom, the master's bedroom, 16.4. For the regular room size, we have 4 by 4 meters, and that is equal to 16 square meters. For the toilet and bath, we have 2 by 2.8 meters, and that is equivalent to 5.6 square meters. For the kitchen, 5.10 times or 5.10 by 1.90, that is 9.69 square meters. We decided to make the dining and living room adjacent to each other. So the area for that two rooms will be 6.10 by 4, and that is equivalent to 24.4 square meters. So normally, the normal design right now nowadays is that the dining and living doesn't have any more partition. They just put cabinets or countertops that will divide the areas, but it's actually open. And for the porch, 4 meters by 2 meters, and that is equivalent to 8 square meters. So the total dimension or measurement of the width and the length in square meters is 80.09. So very small difference to the proposed floor area, which is actually 80 square meters. So let's divide the room using again the scale. I'm going to follow this Follow this measurement. So the width of the rooms are, the bedrooms are 4 meters. So let's locate our 4 meters. Don't forget, we need to uh, secure that we are measuring inside the center of our wall, going inside for the interior walls. So in the scale 1 is to 75, that's how wide 4 meter is. So I'm going to mark it. And same goes here at the top. So that's our 4 meters. Now, I think what we just need is to measure on the left side the partition between the master's bedroom, the bedroom, and the T and B. So again, the master's bedroom is 4.10. You can mark it. Then 4 for the regular room. And definitely what's remaining is the toilet and bath, the length of the toilet and bath, which is 2 most likely 2 meters. Or in terms of the width of the porch, it is actually 4 in width, 2 in length. So 2. Let's put the 2 there and then mark 1. For the width of the toilet and bath for the width is 2.8. So let's start there, the 1, and here is the 2.8. Now we can make use again of our T-square and the 30 by 60 degree triangle. For step number 4, lay out the position of doors and windows by center line and by their widths with a 4H pencil. The standard width of doors is 90 to 95 centimeters, like the main entrance door, while 80 centimeters for bedroom or bedrooms and service doors, and 75 centimeters for toilet and bath doors. So we're now moving on to the measurement and locating the measurement of the width and locating our windows, as well as the uh, designating the opening of doors in each of the rooms. So for the entrance Step number 5. Label each part of the floor plan. Draw the kitchen and apply the work triangle principle in designing the kitchen. Draft the toilet and bath. Draw the fixtures properly. Make sure that you draw a guideline first. Before you label the drawing. Step 6. Layout extension lines. Use any dimension limits and lay out dimensions legibly and never repeat dimensions. So you say dimension, that is another term for measurement. To lay out the dimension.